ISPT, who own Foy's Arcade, have said that they've designed this place to encourage experimentation. It's a space that's filled with new technology that will shape the workplaces of the future, so I'm excited to see it. Erin, nice to meet you.
Hi, Amanda, thanks for coming.
Tell me about the space.
Sure, well, it's ISPT's new Customer Experience Centre. There's some really interesting history with this building. One of the first department stores in Melbourne called Foy & Gibson.
Oh, right.
And you're on the site of the Rooftop Fun Park. It was a collaboration with a circus, so circus equipment was up on this site. In the 80s, floors were added onto this building.
Yeah.
So you're standing on the original Rooftop Fun Park.
And so now it's become a fun park for tech.
It definitely has, and it's a place where we can experiment with our customers now with technology and see what the future might hold.
Great, let's see some more.
Sure. So I'm going to show you what a large screen stitch projection looks like with this 9-metre screen here.
That is amazing.
It is quite amazing. We're going to zoom into Melbourne using hand gestures.
I think what's incredible when you're in Melbourne before, you can see the detail that planners might need to make big decisions. Where the parks were, it allows you to have that full visual capture of important data before you make those planning decisions.
Amanda, this is Jeff Jones.
How are you?
CEO of Collective Social Intelligence and Professor of Interaction Design.
This is a great title.
Well, it is. And what we do at CSI is we design and build these kind of spaces. So when we partnered with ISPT and decided on some of the systems, we decided on visualization systems because with visualization you can do planning faster, and particularly you can make decisions about 40% faster.
So Jeff, what are we looking at here?
Well, when we helped ISPT design and build this space, we suggested a number of visualization systems. This is a portfolio planning tool, and what you're seeing on the screen right now is an entire portfolio. It's actually a representation of ISPT's portfolio. Now, if I'm going to go into more of a planning and decision-making mode, I go onto this screen which has a 3D cube on it, and you can see some green dots and some yellow dots and some red dots. So almost immediately you can say, okay, I bet my red dots are the problem area, so maybe I should decide very quickly to hone in and look at those.
So this is effectively replacing a spreadsheet.
It is. It's probably replacing more like 100 spreadsheets. So this is an area that we call our collaboration lounge.
Oh.
And what happens in here is this is a place where we can do design and planning reviews. And for instance, there's this image here.
Yep.
You can take it and you can flick it to the left, and you'll see it come up on the screen over there, and that could be a screen anywhere in the world.
Yeah.
So you imagine that you're in a planning review, you can annotate on this image, and then you can flick it to another part of the world, and that person can then take control of it. And what this really gives you is a way of doing design, planning, and decision-making, and it uses technology that makes that interaction as social as it can be when you can't have everyone in the same place at the same time.
Jeff, thanks so much. I really appreciate the time. I got the inner geek on. I enjoyed myself.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank you.
And Erin, what a beautiful space. Thank you so much for taking us through.
Thank you. You're welcome.